Yes, I'm back with another video on my Blackie Gump-like team, even though it's nothing like Blackie Gump's team. Let's sort that out with these 3 gold packs. What? This is weird. I've got 10. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, this is just duplicated. Oh my god, first pack. Looking, spazzing the camera, spazzing the camera. Yes, I'm looking at YOLO. Yes, yes, yes. Lima. And this. Okay, let's just send it all to my club. I can't believe I just duplicated all them packs. Looking at FIFA points. Oh, glitching. Open the pack. Jump down. Jump down. You can go zooming in as soon as we get the fake Pizarro. Papadopoulos. We had to get Papadopoulos. Yep, just send all of them to my club. I'm just going to send everything to my club. So, we're going to put that down. I'm trying to shoot the screen, and who did we get? We just got Tiote. Tiote and Boateng. And Papadopoulos again. Oh my god. Well, okay, I can't send that to my club, so it's Papadopoulos. I could make a Bundesliga team. Put in the comments below if I should make a Bundesliga team and see how well I do it. Skip this, and we get... Oh my god, Wesley Sneijder and Diego Alves. That, yeah. Damn! 90 diving, 90 reflexes. Damn, Wesley Sneijder. Damn. Oh. Mad. Okay, he's alright. The Sanctus. Keep him. I'm gonna keep the rest. I actually saw Darren Bent. You mad? So we open the pack, put you down, put a disc on top, take it off, pick it up, skip, we get Alexandre Pato. And we get the Man U kit again. Oh, oh, oh! Send all that to my club. What? Yeah, I'm not having some Korean lady. Oh, we do it straight away. I run out, jump onto that, jump back in. We come back. Who did we get? I'm not gonna look. Who did we get? Miranda. Who is my best player? Oh, yes! Okay, that sounds gay. But no hate. Don't hate, don't hate. This is like, I'm a beginner on YouTube. Subscribe to my man. No, he's not my man. My best friend, Harvey Vaughan. He's on YouTube. He's on YouTube. Yeah, don't hate him, yeah. He hadn't made that many videos, but he's probably one of my favourite YouTubers, besides KSI, Road to Short and Blackie Gump, and a couple more. Calix is hilarious. We're going to skip this and we get Aubameyang. Oh my god! Oh, I just got Aubameyang! I just got Aubameyang! No, this has not happened. No, wait, I'm just checking if I'm asleep. Okay, look at me. I just got Aubameyang in a pack. Oh my god. Keeping you, definitely. Oh my god. Sorry about that little girlish squeal. It's just, I've wanted Aubameyang since I saw him on this game. Then we open a pack. You go right up to the screen. And who do we get? I'm gonna close my eyes. Who do we get? Okay, we got that. Oh my god. He's good, Vargas. Really? I'm just looking for good dribbling. We've got the Valdez that plays outfield. And that. Oh my god, I just got Aubameyang. I'm still puffed that I got Aubameyang. Who could we possibly get now? You go right up. Let me skip it when you come out, and we get Thierry Henry. I can't even say that name. I'll store all these in my club. Look at that record. Okay, 25 FIFA coins and 81 coins. Last pack. Who will we get? If we get any inform, I will cry. Trust me, nose pack. Line you on my controller. Oh, by the way, that's my controller. Do you like it? Yeah, I showed it in my first pack opening. And who do we get? No. Oh my god, we just got, no lies, Tomizzi, Berbatov, and Matic. And then we got all that. Wembley Stadium. Store that in my club. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this. I'm gonna make a couple more videos. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of this. So see you guys soon.